Hi, I'm Paul with rackoutfitters.com, and this is the Yakima OffGrid Medium rooftop basket. We have it installed onto this Tesla Model 3, which has the Tesla Model 3 roof rack system pre-installed. So we've chosen this particular basket for several reasons. First of which, it's important to know that on the Tesla Model 3 roof rack, the position of the load bars is in a fixed position. So it's important that the basket that's attached to this roof rack has variable adjust mounting hardware to perfectly match up with the positioning of the crossbars, which is exactly what the OffGrid basket does. So there's 4 mounting hardware attachments. Each mounting hardware attachment has a stainless steel rubberized band that grips around the bar, giving it a very secure attachment to the bar, and it's also form-fitting. So it's not a big bulky hardware piece hanging low below the bar to disrupt airflow. It's a nice smooth, strong stainless steel band. Also, the mounting hardware has integrated lock housings that can accommodate up to 4 of Yakima's same key system lock cores and keys, otherwise known as SKS lock cores. So those are recommended because I'll show here that it's very quick and easy to remove the hardware from the roof rack simply by sliding back this plate, which has the option to be locked, and then lifting this lever and detaching it from the front, and that's all that's necessary to remove one of the hardware sections. And then you just snap it back. It's totally adjustable here to match the thickness of the bar and to get the right tensioning. If it's locked, you got a good theft deterrent. So moving on to the top here, we have 2 adjustable and completely removable crossbars. These are the shape of Yakima's traditional 1.125" round bars, so it can accommodate many of Yakima's accessories directly to the top of the roof rack system. The construction of this roof rack system is tubular and plate steel. It's very strong. It weighs in at 40 pounds, yet it has a carrying capacity on this particular roof rack of up to 110 pounds. So it's 40 pounds of the basket subtracted from the 150 pound weight capacity of the roof rack gives you a 110 pound carrying capacity. From an aerodynamic standpoint, it includes this wind fairing, which will reduce wind noise and wind drag. Also, we found that these side plates also streamline airflow compared to tubular vertical bars that you see on other designs. Here, this red accent is a nice complement overall. However, it's also a coupling that joins the 2 halves of the basket together. So when it's pulled from the shipping box, those 2 halves will have to be assembled along with plates on the bottom side. But it also allows for this basket to be extended to make the basket longer. So as it is, this basket measures 44 inches in length and is 40 inches wide. When adding an extension, that can add 18 inches to the extension, to the length of the basket. So those are all the key features of this Yakima OffGrid Medium rooftop cargo basket. It's a great solution for people who would like to carry extra gear on their vehicle, things that you may not want to put inside of the vehicle, such as logs for camping, campfire, maybe a cooler, other gear like that makes sense. So this product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions, and thanks for watching.